Hi guys, I'm here to do a quick women's scent haul. This is another one I believe I got from Temu. It really depends. Actually, eBay has some of the best deals, even better than Temu. And this is Celion Marshmallow Eau de Perfume Intense. This is a really pretty bottle too. Yeah, I try to find like the best deal on everything and find it legitimate. It's not, I mean, I've gone through some things that were not legit. And actually, now to come to think of it, I think it was legit. It just didn't have time to macerate. So I paid $18.66 for this on Temu. Listen to this review. Ladies, if you're in the fence about this fragrance, be like Nike and just do it. It's so good and pairs well with Yum Bougie Marshmallow. This was a blind buy that I don't regret. I've had it on for an hour and can still smell it. Shipping was fast and the packaging is beautiful. Okay, 4.8 star. Let's compare it to Amazon price. They don't even sell it on Amazon? I guess not anymore. Well, it's not coming up anyway. They have the Zaffaron one, but not this one. Okay, let's see. The reviews were good. I love this box. The packaging is so cute. And you always want to look for these, what do you call it? Expiration date, 3/1/2031. Oh, wow. This is really nice. Oh, yes. I can already smell it in the cap. I'm like, yay. I got my marshmallow again. You can never have enough marshmallow scents. Plant my face in a bag of marshmallows. That is so good. And again, it's not the toasted marshmallow. It's like the powdery, sugary. I need a minute. That is so good. That was what? But it smells really good. But I really like it. And I had to have the bottle. Yes, I love the bottles. That's really strong. Isn't she pretty? God, that smells so good. Yes, this is a yes. I don't care if you already have 100 marshmallow ones, get this one too. I'm telling you, it is so good. Marshmallow just makes me flipping happy. Okay, let's read one more. I'm so impressed. Wait, let me read it like a Valley girl. Hold on. Oh my God, I'm super impressed. This is like the first time I bought any perfume online, so I was like really skeptical. It arrived today and it's like better than I hoped. The bottle is even much larger than I expected and smells amazing. Very soft, sweet and soft. Totally worth buying. Oh, what a magical scent. From the moment you spritz it, the atomizer works really well. You're wrapped in a cloud of sweet innocence, like freshly spun cotton candy, soft marshmallow fluff, and sugar crystal daydreams. It hits you first with playful fruity brightness, then spins into a creamy heart and finally settles in to a warm mellow base that lingers like the memory of a childhood fair. That is something I would write. Is that me? No, that's not me. According to reviews, the top notes are apple, lemon, freesia, nectarine, blossom, and apple. In the heart, there's pink marshmallow, strawberry, coconut flakes, and orange. The base notes wrap it all up in vanilla, pink musk, raspberry sugar, and a touch of ambrox. So this is supposed to be a dupe of Noble Blushes notes. Top of rose milk, heart and meringue, and almond, base of vanilla, musk, and sandalwood. What's so striking is how both fragrances share that gourmand, dreamy, almost edible vibe. Even though they aren't exactly the same in their composition, the warm, sweet, milky, powdery softness they give feels very similar. Yes, this is 100 out of 10. When it comes to marshmallow scents, this is like 1,000,000 out of 10. Like, and the bottle is even just that much better. She's pretty. But you already know I have to own all the marshmallow ones. In my whole room, my bed, me. When Polly, you open your box tomorrow, you're going to be hit with nothing but marshmallow goodness. It'll probably still be all over it. Yeah. But anyway, thank you guys for being here. I've never even heard of this brand. Like I hear like a lot of, I watch a lot of haulers or influencers on like Codlage, Latafa, what's some other ones? Paris Corner, all those, but I've never heard of Celion. It might be on there, but the ones I watch aren't talking about it. But this one needs all the raves and reviews. Absolutely. Great job, Celion. Now you can sponsor me and send me about 100 more of these and I'll be happy for life. Please. And thank you. But anyway, guys, make sure you like, hype, and tell me down below what your ultimate favorite dessert is. I'd love to know. And put your favorite dessert emoji. If there are, I know there's a bunch of them. If you can find it or the closest thing to it. And I will see you guys soon. Love you all. Bye.